Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering, Yvette, what should I be doing during the lunar eclipse with the full moon being in Scorpio? What rituals are there out there? And Yvette, what really should I be doing? If you're asking yourself these questions, you basically landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you some simple things that you can be doing on this day to help improve your life. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a manifesting law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you life-changing information. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Now, if you want to know what to do during the lunar eclipse with the full moon being in Scorpio, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this special day and how it can help you? Now, listen, I'm getting people that are writing me saying, Yvette, I want to change my life. Yvette, I want things. Things just don't seem to be working out for me. And what can I do during the lunar eclipse to help improve my life? Now, listen, a lot of people are going about this day the wrong way. I'm going to set you straight for once and for all to let you know what you should actually be doing at this time. Now, the first thing that you need to know is the lunar eclipse is about to happen and a full moon on the 5th of May, 2023. The lunar eclipse is scheduled to happen around 11:14, 11:13 in the morning Eastern time. If you live in the United States, this year you will not be seeing the lunar eclipse. If you live in Australia or the Antarctica or Asia or maybe South Africa, you will be seeing the lunar eclipse. But that does not stop you from utilizing the energy that will be around at that time. Now, one of the rituals that I would tell you that I would do during this day, and that would be meditation. Now, I'm not talking about meditating for the whole hour and a half or whatever you're going to do. I'm talking about basically just 10 minutes of meditation. And what is it you're going to do? You're going to sit down, close your eyes, and you're going to just let your mind go wherever it is. After you're very comfortable, you might start speaking to yourself, to the universe, asking for guidance in whatever it is you need to let go. So if you need to let go of bad habits, or you need to let go of a certain person or a situation or a job, this is the time to ask the universe, what is it that I need to know? What guidance do I need to know? What is it that I need to release that I'm not acknowledging? The whole thing is, during this time, release is all you need to know. You need to know if you need to release certain things out of your life so that you can move on. Just sitting in peace and quiet, you are opening yourself up to the divine. And when you finish, you might get in your car, you might hear a sound, you might hear a song, you might see something on TV, you might walk and might hear somebody speaking. But you probably will get a message because you already got yourself in tune with the guidance from the universe. So now the next thing I would tell you guys to do, and I think everybody should do this on May 5th, and that would be sage your home, everyone. Now, when you do saging, you're basically clearing away whatever it is in your home that needs to go. How I would do this, I would start from my front door and I would walk clockwise around my home. Once I hit the stairs, I would go upstairs and walk clockwise around. Every time I reach a door or a window, I would actually go up and down the door and the window. Then while I'm doing this, I would actually make statements like, thank you, universe, for blessing me. As I walk through my home, I am releasing anything in my home that is negative that needs to be released. This is powerful, you guys. And then once you sage your whole home, I need you to open up the windows and let all that stagnant air go out. Now, listen, while you're doing this, you can state, at this time, I'm releasing negative energy from my house. I'm releasing negative energy from myself. You might even want to sage yourself. And if you do, don't forget to lift your feet up and sage the bottom of your feet. But the whole purpose of the lunar eclipse, the full moon in Scorpio, is to release whatever it is out there so that things can come in later. Now, this is very important, you guys, because remember, you can't expect something good to happen if you're holding on to negativity, if you still got negativity around you. Now, my next technique that I want to tell you that you can do during the lunar eclipse is to write out your intentions. I'm asking you to write out 3 intentions. When I say intentions, it could be something that you're trying to get rid of out of your life. It could be something you bring it into your life. But whatever your intent is, but I really prefer for it to be something that you're trying to get rid of so that you can bring in something new. Or if it is something that you want, you can write that down also. But the thing is, this is a perfect time to release anything that's in you or around you or through you that is causing you to be stuck, that is causing you to be stuck in life. So what you're going to do, you're going to light a candle. Now, I have here a 50-cent black candle and a white candle. This is for release of negativity, and this one is universal. Pick a candle, which one you want to burn. If you only have a white candle, burn a white candle. And then I want you to write out your 3 intentions. If you have more, go right ahead. Once you write them out, I want you to read them. I want you to visualize yourself as if this is already done. And then I want you to burn that piece of paper. Once you collect the ashes, I want you to go outside and blow it outside to the universe. Now, if you don't want to burn the paper, you are welcome to keep it and meditate with it. Put it under your pillow, read it every day, whatever you want to do. But I need you, if it's something that you're going to release, I need you to either burn it or rip it up and throw it outside. Now, some other things that you can do during this time, you can also write in your journal anything concerning gratitude. Again, this is a time for building. This is a time for releasing whatever's not for you anymore. This is a time for alignment. And you must know by doing these things, the magic is going to happen. Things are going to open up for you. Now, one extra tip that I want to give you at this time that could be crucial with you manifesting whatever it is that you want in life, and that is mirror work. Because we're dealing with the lunar eclipse and the full moon in Scorpio, and this is a time for release, the best thing that you can do is to do the mirror work technique or the Ho'oponopono technique. Whatever it is that you use for release, this is the best time to do it. Now, mirror work is one of my favorite. Ho'oponopono is another. Again, just writing yourself a letter expressing whatever it is you need to release is good enough. But again, once you release the things in your life that no longer serve you, you're going to write me and you're going to say, Yvette, oh my God, I just manifested $50,000. Yvette, I just manifested a new job. I just manifested a promotion. I just manifested a new love. Now, again, before I get ready to go, this is the best time to say, what is it that I need to let go? What is it that I need to release? What is it that I need to let go as a habit? What is it that I'm stressing over that I need to stop? This is a time, again, for letting go. And once you let go of certain things, everything will open up for you. Okay, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description. Don't forget, you guys, to support this channel by watching the next video. And if you want to support us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Again, if you want to buy any of these things, everything is in the description. And again, namaste.